Today morning is so peaceful. Lovely sunshine.
Good morning, my sunshine.
Good morning, Mommy.
Look outside.
Just like I take care of you, mother birds take care of their babies too.
I love you, Mommy.
Love you too, my sunshine.
Mommy, I'm going to freshen up. Can you make breakfast? Of course, my sunshine.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think breakfast is ready already.
Oh, really? That's exactly what you were waiting for.
Oh, my angry darling. I'll help you.
Let me set the table.
Just don't break any dishes.
Good morning, Bunny.
Good morning, sleepyhead.
Look what Daddy made.
Pancakes. Zoe, Daddy, and I have a surprise plan for you.
We're going to the Adventure Forest today.
Really?
Yeah! Adventure Forest! Bunny! We are going to Adventure Forest! It will be so fun! Mommy, what should we take with us? Where's my water bottle?
The water bottle is in the kitchen, sweetheart. I'll bring it.
Has anyone seen my blue sock?
Found it.
Bunny, are you ready to go with us?
Yes. Let's go!
Adventure Forest, here we come.
Everyone ready?
Bunny, look.
We're going to Adventure Forest. Ooh, wow!
Wow, fresh forest air.
Wow! It's so big and green! Wow! Wow! Let's explore! Mommy! Mommy! Daddy! Look what I captured!
That's beautiful, Zoe.
Mommy, what if the sloth falls while sleeping?
Don't worry, Zoe. Sloths have very strong claws.
Let's take a little break.
I was hungry for this. Look, Mommy! So many birds!
Can we see them closely?
It's okay, I'm with you. Zoe, it's time to go home. It's getting evening. Wow! So beautiful! Today is an adventure day.